I used to make things like this desktop. I built this. I built cabinets. I used to make things with my hands, in my shop out front. Ever since I've had kids, I've not made a point to do it, and I want to stop doing that. This weekend, we're helping some kids build Pinewood Derby cars for the Pinewood Derby race, next weekend. My kids are done. They look amazing. I don't know if I'll put any pictures here for this, but I'll probably talk about it another day. But that's kind of where I'm at. I've had a hiccup lately as I've transitioned from gaming content to making content about making content. I get nervous. I feel like I don't know what I'm talking about. Even though I've got 5 years of experience, I still 100% imposter syndrome. I feel the same way about building things, but I never felt that way while doing it. I would just say, hey, I want this cabinet. I would look up plans. I'd make it. I'd build a table. Whatever I needed, I would just do it. If I didn't have the tools, I would either use the tools I have, or I would find the tools, find somebody with the tools. And I've always been that way on basically everything except for talking in front of a camera. With all that being said, I don't think that I'm going to be switching to showing you how to build tables and things. There's plenty of people that do that are better, but I want to start 100% not giving a shit about what people say about this kind of stuff. So let's talk about what we should be making. This week, for me, is going to be a pretty emotional week. I've got an anniversary of something that I don't want to think about. That will be, that I'll have a video up on Thursday morning. So if you want to watch that, you can. Anybody who's been subscribed, for the past 5 years or whatever, who's been to the Twitch stream, before that day last year, I will understand what I'm talking about. And so anyways, it's an emotional week. I've got other stuff as well in the pipes. I've got a lot of videos that have ideas. I have scripts. I have everything written out. I just have needed the burr in my ass. That's something my grandmother would say. I've needed something like that to help me move along and start doing it. I did move all of my setup around here. I did that, and I started trying to put together a game server so the community could start playing games together. And those things have detracted from making videos, but my goal is to get 2 to 3 videos out a week. And this week I'm going to do it. They may not be good. They may not be long. They may not be what I want them to be, but they are going to be on my channel. So if you're wondering what the point of this video is, the point of this video is to say, if you don't feel confident making the videos that you do, even though you're passionate about it, even though you're knowledgeable about it, start thinking about different ways that can increase that confidence while you're making that content. Whether that is putting googly eyes on your camera, or doing something else with your hands, or maybe not doing things with your hands. Anything you can do to make yourself feel comfortable, that's really what you should be doing. I really want to get back to making things. I want to get back to making things with my hands, and I want to get back to making consistent content on YouTube. Those things can either go together or not. It's not important as much as just starting to be creative again. So I hope that this video is your kickstart to do the same. We are all passionate about things. We don't get to do everything we're passionate about, but everything shouldn't go on the back burner just because of life. Start making time for your hobbies. Start making time for the things that you're passionate about, and I promise you'll be happier. There's no way you can't be. So I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks to people over Twitch that support me, and people here on YouTube. If you'd like to do the same, you can go down below. If you're curious about how to improve your audio in your content or through OBS, I've got a video right over here that's going to help you with it. And until Thursday, I hope you have a wonderful day. And yeah, thanks.